Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming SDL2 and a C++ compiler are installed. This is essential. Then create a minimal project and add include and link flags so the compiler finds SDL headers and libs. Once done, write main CPP that calls SDL init and creates a window and renderer. This first build verifies your chain works and isolates environment issues early. Make sure to compile with debug symbols and run the simple window to confirm event loop and rendering surface exist before adding more code. You now add assets and the core loop. Load images using SDL image and create SDL texture for GPU rendering. Once textures are ready, structure a main loop that polls SDL poll event, updates game or app state using a delta time, and executes SDL render clear, draw calls, then SDL render present. Make sure to manage resource lifetimes, destroy textures, free surfaces, and quit subsystems. Also integrate input handling early so you can test controls while rendering updates. This avoids messy refactors later. You finish by polishing rendering and ensuring clean shutdown. Set logical size or viewport to handle different resolutions, enable blending and texture filtering when needed, and ensure you free every SDL texture, surface, renderer, and window before calling SDL quit. Once complete, test builds on each target OS and run a memory checker to catch leaks. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip: enable SDL error logging, SDL get error, and check return values immediately. They lead directly to the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.